The clinic nurse is caring for a client diagnosed with osteoarthritis. So we have a medical diagnosis, that's important. Let's underline that. The client tells the nurse, I am having problems getting in and out of the bathtub. So the client is having problems with activity, with movement, getting in and out of the bathtub. Which intervention should the clinic nurse implement? First, priority, keyword. So automatically, I have to think, what strategy can I use in this priority question? Let's look at the answers. Determine whether the client has grab bars in the bathroom. This is an assessment. 2, encourage the client to take a shower instead of a bath. Implementation. Initiate a referral to a physical therapist. Implementation. Discuss whether the client takes non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs, NSAIDs. Assessment. So automatically, I see a relationship between the answers. I'm thinking of what priority strategy can I use, and I see that there is a mixture of assessment and implementation answers. I can use a strategy, a critical thinking prioritization strategy known as the assessment versus implementation strategy. If you don't know about this, you can see it here in the membership and learn about prioritization strategies. So I look at the question and I notice that the nurse has not conducted an assessment, and this does not look like an emergency. Therefore, using that strategy, I know that my answer will be an assessment. So I can eliminate answer 2, answer 3. I am left with answer 1 and answer 4. Now, which one of the 2 assessments will I do first? Am I going to ask, determine, identify if there are grabbing bars in the bathroom, grab bars in the bathroom? Notice that answer number 1 is a validation directly related to the problem in the stem of the question, because the patient is saying, I'm having problems getting in and out of the bathroom. So a good question to validate, are there grab bars? Why is this question important? First, relates to the problem. Second, if the patient has grab bars and still has problems coming in and out, we got a problem. The patient may need another intervention. But if the patient states there are no grab bars in the bathroom, maybe that's what we need to do. So answer number 1 validates the problem described in this scenario. Answer number 4 talks about medication, the use of NSAIDs, non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs. Yes, it could be important to know if the patient is taking NSAIDs for osteoarthritis. Is the patient taking other medication for osteoarthritis? Maybe there could be an interaction between them too. But does that answer number 4 relate to the safety concern of movement and activity, that it is what is described on the stem of the question? No. Therefore, answer number 4 is not the priority. The correct answer is number 1.